Hello children, welcome back. How are you all? So we are learning a chapter linear equation in one variable. So in this chapter there are total 4 topics. So at present we are in the third topic, that is solving simple equation. Before going to start the class, I will explain some homework problems. So here 14th problem, 8x plus 5 by 2 equals to 13. 8x plus 5 by 2 equals to 13. So here to get the x value, first we have to transpose 5 by 2 to RHS side. So 8x is equals to 13 minus 5 by 2. So now 13 I am writing as a 13 by 1. So the LCM is 2 is a LCM. 2 into 13 is 26 minus 5. So 8x is equals to 26 minus 5. So 8x equals to 26 minus 5 is 21 by 2. Now we required x value. So here 8x nothing but 8 into x equals to 21 by 2. So then x equals to, here 8 is multiplying, so when you transposing to RHS side, it will go to denominator place. But in the denominator already we have a number. So then what will happen? 2 into 8. Okay, it will go to denominator place and it multiply with the denominator which is already there. So it is equals to 21 by 2 8s are 16. So there is no other cancellation for 21 by 16. So then the x value is 21 by 16. So next 15th problem, 4x minus 5 by 3 equals to 9. Okay, so 4x equals to 9 minus 5 by 3 transposed to RHS side. So then it is plus 5 by 3. So here 9 I am writing as a 9 by 1. So then the LCM of denominators are 3. 3 9s are 27 plus 5. It is equals to 4x. So now 4x equals to 27 plus 5 is 32 by 3. So same 4 into x equals to 32 by 3. So 4 is multiplying, so transpose to RHS side. So 3 into 4. So now here we can do cancellation. 4 1s are 4, 4 8s are 32. So it is equals to 8 by 3. Yeah children, let's start the part 3 of this chapter. So finally we completed exercise 2.1. So next we have example 3, example 4, example 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and exercise 2.2. So some word problems are there. So I will explain these all problems in a special class. So next I am going to start the new topic, that is solving equation that has variables on both the sides. Previously we learned solving equation that has variable on one side. Now solving equation that has variables on both the sides. So example 11 is a word problem. Let's go to exercise directly. So in the exercise 2.3, observe the all questions. First question is 7x minus 5 equals to 2x. So variable is at two places, LHS side and RHS. Next second question, 5x minus 12 equals to 2x minus 6. Here also variable on both sides of a equal symbol, left side and right side. Next third question, 7p minus 3 equals to 3p plus 8. Here also variable is p, that is left side and right side. So if you are observing every question of this exercise, variable will be on both sides of a equal symbol. Okay. So the first question is 7x minus 5 equals to 2x. Let us solve this. So when the variable on both sides of a equal symbol, how to solve it? So very simple, write the variables on LHS side and constants RHS side. So here what are the variables? 7x and 2x both are variables. So you have to write them on left side of a equal symbol. And constants, we have only one constant, that is minus 5. Write it on the right side of a equal symbol, then simplify, you will get the variable answer. So here 7x is already left side, so I am not changing anything. But 2x is on right side, so transpose to left side. 2x is a positive, so when you transposing to LHS side, it will become negative. Next, constants writes RHS side. So here we have only one constant, that is minus 5. So it will become plus 5 when you transposing to RHS side. Now 7x and 2x both are like terms, so we can subtract. So 7x minus 2x is equals to 5x, it is equals to 5. So x equals to 5. So 5 is multiplying here, so then transpose to RHS side will go to denominator place, and 5 by 5 answer is 1. So then the x value is 1. So this is a process. Write the variables left side and constants right side. Next simplify, then automatically we will get the variable answer. Next, coming to second problem, 5x minus 12 equals to 2x minus 6. So first of all, what are the variables in this 5x and 2x? You have to write in the LHS. Next, constant numbers. So what are the constant numbers? Minus 12 and minus 6. So write them in the RHS side. So variables left side, constants are right side. So let us write 5x is, it is already left side, so 5x. Next to 2x, 2x will become minus 2x equals to constant numbers. See here, first right side constant number you have to write, right side constant number minus 6. Next to left side constant number, that is plus 12. Okay. So now 5x minus 2x, how much? That is 3x. It is equals to minus 6 plus 12. Minus 6 plus 12 is plus 6 or minus 6? Yes, plus 6. So minus 6 plus 12 is plus 6. Now x equals to 6 divided by 3. So 6 by 3, 3 ones are, 3 twos are. So it is equals to 2. So the x value is 2. So you can verify this answer. How to verify? Just you substitute this x equals to 2 LHS and simplify, RHS and simplify. You have to get the same answer in the both cases, LHS and RHS, then your answer will be correct. So next I am going to explain sixth problem, that is 9y plus 5 equals to 15y minus 1. So here 9y is a variable and 15y also a variable. So write them in the left side of equal symbol. Next to 5 is a constant number and minus 1 both are constant numbers. So write them on right side of a equal symbol. So let us write 9y is already left side, so no need to change. 15y is a positive 15y, so it will become negative 15y. First you have to write the RHS side constant number first. RHS side constant number is minus 1. LHS side constant number is plus 5, so then it is minus 5. So now 9y minus 15y plus 6y or minus 6y, children? Yes, minus 6y. It is equals to minus 1 minus 5. minus 1 minus 5 both are negative, so minus 6. So now y equals to minus 6 divided by minus 6. Why? Because here minus 6 is multiplying. So then it will go to denominator place as it is. Symbols will not change. So now y equals to minus 6 by minus 6. So minus minus cancel. 6 ones are here, 6 ones are, it is equals to 1. So y value 1. So you can verify this y value by substituting in the LHS side and RHS side. So now I am giving some problems for homework. First problem, second problem already explained. So I am giving the homework for third problem, next to fourth problem, next to fifth problem. So third, fourth, fifth, 3 problems for homework. So next coming to seventh problem now. So now seventh problem is 3x plus 4 equals to 5 bracket of x minus 2. See, we have variable on both sides of a equal symbol, but here bracket given, bracket symbol is here. So first you have to simplify that bracket value, then after write the variables left side and constants right side. So how to simplify that? 3x plus 4 equals to 5 bracket of x minus 2. So that means what is the symbol between 5 and bracket? That is into symbol, 5 into x minus 2. So when the bracket symbol given, that means the bracket before what is the number, that number multiply inside with every element. So 5 into x minus 5 into 2, 5 into 2, 5 into x minus 5 into 2. So 3x plus 4 equals to 5 into x is 5x minus 5 2s are 10. See, now same like a previous questions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Same like a previous 6 questions, variable on say both side of a equal symbol. So now write variables one side, that means LHS side, and constants right side. So here 3x positive 5x will become negative 5x equals to constant numbers. First you have to write the right side constant number. So remember children, right side constant number you have to write first. Next to left side constant number is plus 4. So that is it will become minus 4. Okay. So now 3x minus 5x, 3x minus 5x plus 2x or minus 2x children? Yes, minus 2x. So minus 2x equals to minus 10 minus 4. Minus 10 minus 4 is minus 14. So now minus 2x nothing but minus 2 into x equals to minus 14. So x equals to minus 14 divided by, here minus 2 is multiplying, so the number will go to denominator place as it is. Symbols will not change because it is multiplying. So here minus minus cancel, 2 ones are, 2 sevens are. So x equals to 7. So x value is 7. So understand children? First you have to simplify this bracket value. So that means 5 multiply inside, 5 into x, 5x, 5 into 2, 10. So here written 5x minus 10. Now same, write variables one side and constants another side. So 3x minus 5x equals to minus 10 minus 4. So 3x minus 5x is minus 2x and minus 10 minus 4 is minus 14. So minus 2x, what is the meaning of minus 2x? Minus 2 into x. So it is equals to minus 14. So next to minus 2 transpose to RHS side, it will go to denominator place. So minus minus cancel, 2 ones are, 2 sevens are. Yeah, Children, coming to 8th problem, that is 3 bracket of t minus 3 equals to 5 bracket of 2t minus 1. So in the previous question we have a bracket symbol on at one place, but in this question bracket symbol given at two places. So same, first you have to remove the brackets. So how to remove it? So let us multiply 3 in inside. 3 into t minus 3 into 3. So here in the middle, what is the symbol given? Same symbol have to write in the next step. So it is equals to 5 into 2t minus 5 into 1. 3 into t minus 3 into 3. 5 into 2t minus 5 into 1. 3 into t is 3t minus 3 3s are 9 equals to 5 into 2t, 5 2s are 10, 10t minus 5 into 1 is 5. Okay, 3 into t, 3t, 3 into 3, 9, 5 into 2t, 10t, 5 into 1, 5. So now write variables one side, that means LHS side, constants another side, that means RHS side. Here what are the variables? 3t and 10t, both are variables. Next minus 9, minus 5, both are constant numbers. So let us write the variables one side. So left side already variable is there, that is 3t. Right side what is a variable? 10t. So 10t is a positive 10t, that is, so then minus 10t equals to constant numbers. First you have to write the RHS side constant number. RHS side constant number is minus 5. Then left side what is a constant number? Minus 9. So plus 9. So now 3t minus 10t. 3t minus 10t value how much? 70 or minus 70? Yes, minus 70. So it is equals to minus 5 plus 9. So minus 5 plus 9 is 4. Okay. So now minus 7 into t, it is actually 4. T equals to 4 divided by minus 7 transpose to RHS side. So that is divided by minus 7. So t value 4 by minus 7. So this minus symbol we can write in the numerator place. So minus 4 by 7. So both are correct. 4 by minus 7 or minus 4 by 7, both are correct. But when you are getting the minus symbol at denominator place, you write in the numerator place. See how to simplify this problem. Here first I multiply 3 into t, 3 into 3, 5 into 2t, 5 into 1. Next to 3 into t, 3t, 3 into 3, 9, 5 into 2t, 10t, minus 5 into 1, 5. Next to write variables one side, so 3t minus 10t, constants another side, minus 5 plus 9. So 3t minus 10t is minus 7t, minus 5 plus 9 is 4. So minus 7t means minus 7 into t equals to 4. So t equals to 4 by minus 7 or minus 4 by 7. So t value minus 4 by 7. So next ninth problem is a homework for you. 5 bracket of p minus 3 equals to 3 bracket of p minus 2. Now let's go to 10th problem. 5 bracket of z plus 3 equals to 4 bracket of 2z plus 1. So first 5 multiply and inside 5 into z plus 5 into 3 equals to 4 multiply and inside 4 into 2z plus 4 into 1. 5 into z is 5z plus 5 3s are 15 equals to 4 into 2z, 4 to the 8z plus 4 into 1 is 4. 5z and 8z both are variables. 15 and 4 both are constants. So write the variables left side. So left side already one variable is there, that is 5z. First you have to write that. Next right side variable is 8z. So it will become minus 8z. It is equals to right side constant number is 4. So write as it is. Left side constant number is plus 15. So it is equals to minus 15. So now variables one side and constants another side. So 5z minus 8z is minus 3z. Okay, 5z minus 8z is minus 3z, but 8z minus 5z is plus 3z. When the first number is smaller, then it will become negative answer. 5z is a smaller than 8z, so minus 3z. So it is equals to 4 minus 15. See here, 4 minus 15 is minus 11. But 15 minus 4 is plus 11. 4 minus 15 minus 11. When the first number is smaller, negative answer. Okay. So minus 3z equals to minus 11. So minus 3z means minus 3 into z equals to minus 11. So z equals to minus 11 by minus 3. So minus minus cancel, z equals to 11 by 3. So 11 and 3 any cancellation? So no cancellation. Z equals to 11 by 3. See, first I multiplied 5 into z, 5 into z plus 5 into 3. So here what is the symbol? Plus. So plus symbol will come as it is. Next to 4 into 2z. So here plus symbol, so it will come as it is. So 4 into 1. 5 into z is 5z and 5 3 is 15. 4 into 2z 8z plus 4 into 1 is 4. Now write variables one side and constants another side. 5z minus 8z and here 4 minus 15. So 5z minus 8z is minus 3z and 4 minus 15 is minus 11. So next minus 3 into z equals to minus 11. So then z equals to minus 11 by minus 3. Z equals to 11 by 3. So what we have learned in this class, solving simple equation having the variables on both sides. So it's related some questions we completed in this class, and I gave number of homework questions is 4. So send your homework through WhatsApp, and if you have any other doubts, you send a message. See you in the next class. Thank you.